With this beautiful quote given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I, Monica Kapoor, on behalf of entire group of LNCT from EC department, want to welcome you all in this 1 week faculty development program, which is going to be taking place from 29th of November to 3rd of December under AICT Atal scheme. This faculty development program will be over the recent trends in artificial intelligence. So just each day we will be having 3 sessions, and each session will be of 1.5 hours. And so as to give the session, we have taken the help from various professors of IITs and NITs. So I want to welcome the guest speaker for the first session, Dr. Ayan Silsa. He is working as an associate professor in IIT DM Jabalpur. So before making the things known about the session, he will be delivering his session over the topic Artificial Intelligence for Social Networking Analysis. So better it is to first see a brief profile of the sir. Sir is working as an associate professor in the Department of Computer Science, IIT DM Jabalpur since 2014. He is passionate, optimistic, and dedicated, and particularly he is coordinating a student exchange program between the universities of Spain and Jabalpur. He has guided 2 PhD students. He did his bachelor's, master of technology, and doctors. His basic areas of interest are biometrics, remote sensing, medical imaging, object recognition, clustering, and fractal. Sir has also coordinated the various funded projects, and one of them was from Department of Atomic Energy, Board of Research in Nuclear Science, Government of India. There he has approved an amount of nearly 28 lakhs. Again, he's coordinating one more project, which is through the Department of Design and Development of Automatic Target Recognition. Again, it's a funded project. Sir has gone through various conference papers. Sir has published various papers in IEEE conferences elsewhere and Springer, as well as Sir has published various papers in Scopus and SCI Index journals. So there is much more to know about Sir, but due to lack of time, better it is to start with the session. So now I am inviting the Sir to please carry forward the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, ma'am, I would like to request you to please allow me to share my screen so that I can share my screen. Yes, I think now it is. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes. So good morning to all. So I am honored and privileged that you have given me an opportunity to share my thoughts on social networking using artificial intelligence. So here you know that what do you mean by the social networking? Social networking such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have become very popular in recent years and are extensively used by users to connect and communicate with their friends. So due to the increasing number of social network users and the various use cases that the applications are created for, huge volume of data are being generated. For example, I'm giving you some statistics. Like for example, Facebook has over 1.23 billion monthly active users, and Twitter generates 500 billion tweets per day and around 200 billion tweets per year. So now you can think what amount of data we have. So this huge amount of user data available on social platforms can be used towards improving the quality of people's life, as well as benefiting various interest groups like public agencies, companies, advertisers, and application developer and data miner researchers. Therefore, in recent years, researchers in academia and industry have been advancing the theory, operations, and applications of social networks. Luckily, for some social media researcher, new technologies enables brands to extract useful knowledge using artificial intelligence. The rapid development of AI technology encounter great opportunity as well as challenges for social networks. Artificial intelligence approaches are considered as a good candidate here, as they have already been proven to be successful in other information intensive knowledge critical domains. So this lecture is dedicated to know the basics of social network analysis and the artificial intelligence. So with this, I'm just starting the sessions. So here I would like to request you, if you have any difficulty, please let me know so that I can stop and try to explain in a better way. So here, this lecture, I am starting with a small video. So please watch the videos. So what we have observed here, let me summarize a few of the things that we have observed from this video. So first we observed that over 1 billion users on Facebook. So if Facebook were a country, it would be the world's third largest and the second in size of the US populations. Over 50% of the world's population is under 30 years old. Every day, 20% of the Google search have never been searched before. In 10 years, over 40% of the Fortune 500 will no longer be here. Social media has overtaken porn as the #1 activity on the web. 1 in 5 couples meet online, 3 in 5 gay couples meet online, 1 in 5 divorces are blamed on Facebook. What happens is Vegas stay on YouTube, Flickr, Twitter, Facebook, and